Good morning, everyone. My name is Survi Khurana and I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I'm going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also I'm going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and an interactive way. Now, we will discuss this chapter named as People Who Help Us. This chapter is of class 4. It is from the UP board. Chapter number is 7 and the subject is English. The name of the ZII innovative idea is theme based attendance. The innovation is that through this ZII innovative idea, we transform the duration of attendance into a learning process, because most of the time this duration is considered unproductive in a classroom. The idea is very simple. Instead of saying present ma'am, present sir, yes ma'am, students will say a certain word from the theme selected for the day. Today we are going to cover the chapter People Who Help Us using the idea theme based attendance. The time required to implement this idea is around 20 minutes. Initiate the conversation on vocabulary and naming words. Ask the students to observe carefully and make them familiar with the above concept. Inform that today we are going to take the attendance and revise different professions and the tools used in it. Give the following instructions to the students. Students' roll calls will be called out according to their roll numbers. Every student has to say a name of a profession and has to name a tool along with it. So, for example, roll number 1 chooses, let's say, carpenter. So she'll be like, roll number 1 carpenter and the tool is saw. Secondly, roll number 2, let's say, chooses doctor. So she'll be like doctor, stethoscope. While answering to different professions, students be will learn to be polite and have respect towards each other. Secondly, the same process will be continued till all the students respond. Creative thinking and decision making skills will be enhanced in the students while during the procedure. Conclude that students will remember different professions and tools used through attendance. The innovative idea has following learning outcomes. Students will be able to respond in simple instructions. They will be able to use daily words in English. They will be able to respond verbally in any language, including the sign language. They will be able to know about different profession. They will be able to use unfamiliar words in the context, and they will be able to describe the skilled work and different kind of work in their daily lives. Things that we need to note is that this activity is continued till the last roll number. Student must pay attention to every profession told by the other student. This activity ensures that the participation of the students inside the classroom, and the key aspect is peer learning. Secondly, the duration of this activity can differ from class to class depending on the pupil and teacher ratio. The core life skill that can be included are decision making and creative thinking. Values that can be touched upon are acting in socially acceptable way, and politeness, accepting others, and compassion towards each other. Secondly, thank you so much for listening to the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.